Welcome to Upper Michigan Source Weather on Demand. I'm meteorologist Carl Bonak, and on Monday the 6th, the official high 34, 9 below average, the low 21, 2 below average. So put it together, we're between 5 and 6 degrees below the long term for the 6th. It's been as warm as 79 in 1991. That was a 3-day stretch with highs in the upper 70s. And back in 03, coldest so late in the season, 9 below zero. There was snow in a narrow corridor along the Wisconsin line into Menominee County toward Escanaba and points to the south. Not all that far south. There wasn't much once you got south of Marinette County and north of Dickinson County. There was very little, but 3.5 inches fell at Caspian, 4.4 at Iron Mountain in Norway, and the most we could find was in central Menominee to southern Menominee County, 6 inches at Daggett, also at Spalding, 7 inches reported at Hermansville. And some light precipitation, mostly light rain showing up on the radar algorithm, is trying to form now in northern Wisconsin. We'll see how this holds together and how much of it actually reaches the ground, but there is a chance that areas, especially in Menominee County, could see some light precipitation during the night. Here's the setup. We've got strong, chilly high pressure with dry air up to the north of us. That's feeding that dry air in on northeast winds. That's why the northern UP had no snow at all, just clouds. Big trough with a low pressure area coming into the west coast. Watch what happens. We expect this high in the cold, dry air to shift off to the northeast while that western trough progresses into the plains. That means the low pressure will form over the central or southern plains, head right up toward upper Michigan and the western Great Lakes. With that high off to the east, the cold air should be gone. So once this low comes up on Thursday, there should be just rain. However, if there's still some lingering cold air, there's a chance of freezing rain, especially late Wednesday night into early on Thursday, if the precipitation arrives that early. Temperatures, well, south of the frontal system down to our south, it's springtime. Readings in the 60s, even in the evening around St. Louis. Farther south, it's even warmer, 77 degrees at Tulsa. For us on Tuesday, it still looks like an east-northeast wind will keep a chill over the northern UP and areas exposed to that wind off of Lake Superior, generally in the low to mid-30s. Once you get into the eastern UP around Newberry, with the wind coming off the land, could get near 40 if the clouds are thin enough, and then 40, maybe into the 40s along the Wisconsin line toward Escanaba. Here's the way things look on Tuesday. That high should reassert itself. Clouds should thin out. That's why we're thinking that it'll warm up a little bit with filtered sunshine. Then on Wednesday, another disturbance will eject out of that trough, and there's a chance that some rain and or snow could develop Tuesday night into Wednesday morning again, probably mainly over the south, maybe into the western portion of upper Michigan. Then by Thursday, here's that low with a good slug of moisture coming up toward upper Michigan. Rain, could be a little freezing rain at the outset. Your TV 6-day forecast. Temperatures, obviously, if we're going to get rain, will warm up around 40 into the 40s Wednesday through Friday. In back of this system, there's some indication that there could be enough cold air for the precipitation to linger and change to snow, or at least mix with snow, over parts of the west and north Thursday night into Friday.